So with our array list, there's other things we can do, as you saw earlier in the documentation. So there are things we can do. We can remove items from an array list, right? So I can say animals dot remove, and here there's different kind of removes here. The first one here, we have to give an index. So let's start with that one. And what index we want to remove? Let's remove index 0. So we want to remove this 40 here, okay, or 34, I mean. Let's save this. And while we're here, I'm going to get rid of this. That way we won't have a lot of things going on. Okay, let's run this. And look, we only now have cow and parrot because we got rid of the 34. Okay. The other thing we can do, well, guess what? We can go ahead and add again. We can say add at index 0. What we want to add? We want to add dog. Save and run. We should have dog, cow, parrot. So we removed and we added again. Okay. Perfect. What else can we do? How about, now that was the first kind of removing. Let's see if we can do a different type of remove. That remove object. This is fun. So now that means we can actually go ahead and remove the actual object or the actual item name that we've added. What that means is now we can pass a string as an object here. Let's remove cow. Okay, let's see. You notice here, and you notice this IDE tells us O here stands for object. So what's an object here? Well, in this case, this cow is an object in a sense that is a string object that we have put inside of the animal array list here. So if we save this, we should not see cow anymore. So now there's only dog and parrot. So these two removes work the same way. Now you notice in our second type of remove here, we can pass the actual object to be removed. So this is very handy because if we have an array list that has, let's say, 1,000 animals names, okay, and we don't remember exactly where was the cow or the particular item that or object we want to remove from our list, array list, and we don't remember, we don't want to go through it, we can easily create an if statement, say, hey, go through, or a for loop and if statement that says, hey, go through this array list and remove all the cows or cow. Okay, and it just goes ahead and does it very simply, very easy. All right, and of course we can still do other things. Let's say, what else can we do? Animals dot, let's see, we can even have a size. Okay, excuse me. So let's go system. Animals.size. Let's see what's going to happen. We don't need this. So it's going to tell us what is the size of our array list. Our size is 2 because, as you can see, we've removed 1, the cow. And there will be dog and parrots because that's what we added here. Very nice. So different things you can do with our array list now. But now notice how easy things are right now, right? Because now we're talking about objects. You know, this array list is very much flexible. And you notice we don't even have to put a size. You could put a size for our array list, but this is such a flexible way of doing things because now we can add as many items to it. We don't have to worry about anything else. And we can do so many other things here. Let me see. Let me comment this out here. What else can we do? Let me add a few more here. Let's say animals that add. Put cheetah. I think that's how you spell it. Okay. Let's see if I want to check if this list, animal list, contains something. Okay. Let's say I can say if animals that contains, look at that, there is even a contains method which returns a boolean, right? Because it's going to say, well, if this is in there, then it's true. If not, it's false. So that contains object, so we can actually pass in an object. In this case, if I want to see if this list contains parrot, for instance, then I would want to do something. I want to remove it. We can say animals that remove that object. Look at that, so easy. what object? Parrot. Okay. Else, we can say system. Nope, something like that. Look at that. I'm going to clear this. Make this a little bigger. Okay. So now we have an if statement. We say if animals, which is this array list, contains parrot, we want to remove from the list. Otherwise, if it doesn't contain it, it's just going to say nope. Okay, let's go run this. Look at that. Now it says cow, cheetah, because it removed, because it contained. Now, if I go ahead here and say pig, okay, save this and run again, and you can see here there is nope, okay, because it doesn't contain the parrot. So as you can see here, I just wanted to show you how flexible, how awesome, how cool array lists really are. I mean, it's just so amazing things you can do with them. Okay, go ahead and play around with this concept. Great, so I'll see you in the next video.